Service where we bring in each room we give 3-4 children with the normal children so that they can be included in the general mainstream. So what I have seen today is a very good initiative with the iCloud kitchen, because this is not just the cooking. First of all, you are bringing these children into the mainstream line, the main activity you are bringing, and the food is a very essential thing. So if these children are cooking for them, you are also making them independent. That is the main important thing, because I don't think that you are selling the food is more important. Main thing is to train them for cooking, make them more busy in the productive work, and the way they are using their all the senses and motors for this activity. So I really compliment each one of you for taking this concept of iCloud kitchen, and I wish you all can actually become professionally independent also, because what our intention may not be that in the beginning, but and my all gratitude to the Shantiji, the sisters and the teachers host Parasports every year. There are 400 to 500 children, and we have the concept of this, we follow this African concept of Ubuntu, where every child is a winner and we give prize to all the children. So I think you can also do this kind of the para sports for the children. And what I like about the children, the performance, I watched it well, because I myself being a Montessori teacher, I have a habit of watching children very closely. What I like, first I like the happiness on their face. They were dancing with so much of smile and joy on their face. And what another thing I noticed, that they stopped when the music was stopped. You know, and the moment the music started again, they did not forget. I think if we would have been normal people, we might got little like what to do. We might got confused how to start again. But they were absolutely perfect. The music started, they started dancing, and when the music stopped, they posed. You know, so we can't. They are the special children, and actually, they proved that they are special. They have more talents, more capabilities than the normal. So thank you so much for taking this initiative, and wish you all the best for this iCloud initiative, and may you come up with more and more meaningful initiatives. And on this very heart touching for to see the children, and I just would like to contribute 5,100 for their one time whatever for the breakfast, whatever food you want, wherever you want to use. That is just a small token, because whatever we do for them is less. I think everyone will agree. Whatever we do is less for them, and I hope Inabil Club of Secunderabad and Swarna, you inspire everyone to do more such meaningful initiatives in your tenure. So congratulations you for stepping up and lead by example. Thank you everyone.
For all the Hatke projects. We are known as that club. Right? I like that. And I take pride to be part of that club, and today I stand in front of all of you as the district chairman. It is very, I would say, humbling to see the kind of work the club has done and the district has supported all these years. I was just recalling and telling her 10 years back almost, or 9 years back, when Kapila ji was the international vice president, she had visited the Pearl celebrations of our club, and she inaugurated one of the classrooms where there was special work going on. So we were just recalling how she had actually said that this is the kind of work we should be doing. And I was just sharing that little conversation with her when Alaguji said, every time I come, I want to come to this institution. So that is an inspiration for us that leaders also appreciate what this kind of work is doing. It's not just one club. I think every Secunderabad club kind of examples that we see across the district, there is something like this happening. I have to say thank you all the members. I would like to actually address one lady here. Vimla ji, आप थोड़ी सी खड़ी हो जाएंगी, सबको दिखेगा. She's a senior most member.
Charter member.
She's also a charter member.
Yeah.
Yes. आप charter member हो ना?
40 years.
So she completes 40 years in our club. And this happens to be not be able to come for all the meetings. But these are the people who support these kind of projects on a continuous basis. I will just share, Nalini Gopinath, our senior most PDC. So thank you once again, and it gives me immense pleasure to say this particular project was inaugurated today during my chairmanship. It means a lot. And also not to forget, one of the main reasons why this got started was PDC Naina Desai.
Swarna. This Sri Vidya Center for Special Children. Maybe I'm coming here for the first time, but I'm saying this for the past 8 years of my journey into this district. So whenever I write about the projects for Secunderabad, I'm very much familiar because I think every installation, if I'm not wrong, the first project will be from this home. So maybe I'm new to you all for this, but I'm not. I know about this place very much. And I'm personally connected to this children because my sister's son is also a special child. So I'm emotionally and I'm doing a lot of work in this area also because Nizamabad, we don't have such kind of center. So in future, if you people can connect, you can get me some teachers or anything. Because smaller places, we don't have anything for special children. So if it is something if I need, I'll approach you only. So great work. Once again, congratulations. All Secunderabad Club members, President Jayanti. I know she's also a very inspiring lady. I think third time president. Second time. So they are ready to give one more chance.
अबे पहले तो ये तो खत्म हो भी चला
And after a long time, I'm seeing Lata Agarwal and everyone. Thank you. Enjoy it. Thank you. My heart today, the first day. So first we have
your humbleness and your support and your observation while children have danced. How nicely you observed and persiveness. That is really very commendable. Thank you very much for everything. If I talk about one day it will take for me to thank all of you because Swarnalata madam since many years she's back of me. Start any vocational, do something for the children. They should become independent, they should mainstream like that. Always she is there for us. And this event is today happening like this because of our Jayanti ma'am. Since 1.5 months she was like, how to arrange this, that Shanti, she's coming from so far. And we have to make it in a proper way, almost day and night, sometimes 10:30, 11 o'clock also she is sending messages. And madam, you are happy? Lakshmi madam, thank you very much for your presence and your support.
Lakshmi is here.
Secretary Lakshmi. See, like president, secretary, some members, it's all for running organization. We need so many people like this committee. But everyone, each member is very special from NRL Club and behalf of our staff, children, committee. We are so thankful to your club. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And it's a livelihood activity what we are doing today.
Thank you very much.
హలో హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం నేను మీ లక్ష్మీ మంచు సో you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మెల్ల నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anasuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
అశ్విన్ బాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, I'm Digangana Suryavanshi. Please subscribe to City Lights.
Hi, Nenu Shamala. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, నేను మీ అశ్వినిశ్రీ. So please do subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Priyanka Upendra. Please do subscribe to City Light News.
సిటీ లైట్ ఈ ఛానల్కి ప్రేక్షకులందరినీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఛానల్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మానస్ నాగులపల్లి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, my name is Natasha. Please like and subscribe City Light E-News. Thank you.
Hello everyone, నేను మీ సిద్ధు. ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
సిటీ లైట్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మీ మహతి.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, నేను మీ రవి వర్మ అడ్డూరి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
ప్లీజ్ ఏక్నాథ్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi, this is Ashmita. Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hello, Nenu Mirashi Singh. Please subscribe to City Lights News. Thank you.
నేను ఆదిత్య మేనన్. సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్ ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
సిటీ లైట్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.